Today is a day for Samsung, as they are getting ready to unveil the anticipated Galaxy S24 series. Before the reveal, we have come across another unboxing video featuring the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yesterday, we were treated to 3 unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, there's another one. The renowned tech personality, Ice Universe, has shared an unboxing video showcasing the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models. In this video, we get a glimpse of the titanium violet color option for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, truly eye-catching. Notably, Samsung has made a design change for the Galaxy S24 Ultra by opting for a screen of their previous curved screens. The marble gray variant is featured in Ice Universe's video for the Galaxy S24 Plus. It looks exactly as we've seen in renders. Lastly, there's also a version of the Galaxy S24 on display in these real-life photos that surfaced after all those exciting unboxing videos. One photo showcases the elegant titanium violet hue of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while another picture features all 3 models together: Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes in a titanium color, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is available in a vibrant non-titanium violet shade. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 is offered in an amber hue. Undoubtedly, all of these devices boast an elegant appearance. As we already know everything about the latest Galaxy S24 lineup, but knowing when to wait for a new piece of hardware is always difficult, and although it's always somewhat advisable to hold back and get the latest product, and some might hold you back to opt for the last Gen S23 Ultra, including myself, if you already have previous Gen with you. This video will help you to decide whether the latest features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are upgradable or not. First up, we have the titanium frame. In the past 3 years, Samsung has consistently used a lightweight yet strong aluminum frame for its Galaxy S series phones, from the S21 series to the S23 series. Given this history, many may assume that Samsung will continue this trend with their upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Like Apple's 15 Pro and Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use a titanium alloy in its frame to bring the weight down. Titanium is very strong, and in tandem with aluminum, can be very light. Apple shaved off nearly 20 grams from its biggest phone by using titanium, and we expect the S24 Ultra to shave off a similar amount of weight. Next, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Samsung is equipping the Galaxy S24 Ultra series with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but with the for Galaxy branding. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy is said to have a slightly higher maximum clock speed at 3.39 compared to the 3.3 GHz on the regular version of the chipset. This chipset is said to offer industry-leading AI capabilities, camera, display, and gaming capabilities with high-quality audio and a faster GPU. There is good news for those looking for ultimate power. The top-of-the-line Galaxy S24 Ultra will only be available with Qualcomm's latest chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Those in the community are buying for power. The top specifications can rest easy, knowing that the S24 Ultra will come with their desired chip. Next, we have the larger vapor chamber. Now the S24 Ultra will have a vapor chamber that's 1.9 times larger than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The larger vapor chamber is expected to help manage heat generated by the new Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipsets. It remains unclear whether the larger vapor chambers were purposely designed to compensate for the use of Exynos 2400 on the vanilla Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, considering the previous Exynos 2200 generation was infamous for overheating issues. One can presume the better thermals were solely to keep the handset's performance stable and cooler under intensive usage, such as when gaming. Given that prolonged gaming can often lead to overheating issues, this development is likely to be well received by gamers. Next, we have the flat display. The Galaxy S23 Ultra lost a bit of its display curvature. The S24 Ultra will get rid of it altogether. That's either a huge win or a grave disappointment to you, depending on your position on the flat as curved screen debate. In either case, it means that regular glass screen protectors will finally be an option on the Ultra, no adhesive required. Eventually, there will be other participants in this flat screen revolution than Samsung, though, with Google's Pixel series adopting the flat design as well. It seems that Samsung is prioritizing usefulness and practicality over the curved screen's aesthetic appeal with its flat display and thin bezels. For many people who prioritize utility above form, this might be a welcome adjustment. Next, we have the higher peak brightness. Galaxy S24 Ultra's dynamic AMOLED 2X display could boast a peak brightness above 2600 nits. Notably, this peak brightness is likely achieved while playing specific HDR content for brief intervals. This potential increase in brightness places the Galaxy S24 Ultra ahead of its major competitors. In comparison, the Galaxy S23 series maxes out at 1750 nits in HDR scenes. The iPhone 15 Pro reaches 2000 nits, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro achieves 2400 nits. While the 2600 nit peak brightness is impressive, it's important to note that display brightness isn't measured on a linear scale. It adheres to a logarithmic scale, where a 100 nit increase doesn't translate to a perceived doubling of brightness. Therefore, the difference in brightness between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and its rivals, although present, may not be as dramatic as the numbers suggest. Next, we have the new Galaxy Eye features. The Galaxy S24 will also be Samsung's first AI phone, featuring a range of AI and generative AI capabilities. These include AI-generated wallpapers, real-time voice call translation, and text summarization in Samsung Notes, and the ability to expand images by seamlessly filling in missing content. Other AI features tipped to arrive with the phone include the ability to draw circles around words to search for them, and the ability to erase a subject from a video. With its potential for a good display and innovative AI features, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a major contender in the smartphone market. Next, we have the 7 years of software updates. Samsung has been promising 4 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates for its flagship and some mid-range smartphones since 2020. Notably, Android maker Google had confirmed at a launch event in October last year that it would support its latest Pixel 8 series with OS and security updates for the next 7 years, spicing up the competition with its main Android rival, Samsung. Next, we have the camera revolution. The Galaxy S24 Ultra camera system marks a significant departure from its predecessor by opting for a more advanced and high-resolution 50-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto, ditching the previous 10-megapixel 10x periscope telephoto. The primary camera boasts a staggering 200-megapixel sensor, now equipped with the slightly upgraded ISOCELL HP2SX sensor. Supporting this, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lenses have received refinements, resulting in a diverse optical range from 0.6x ultra-wide-angle to 10x telescope range. The camera system promises faster switching ranges in both auto and pro camera modes with a comprehensive range of options, 0.6 to 10x. Samsung's marketing touts the optical telephoto as quad telephoto, covering 2 to 10x, with 2x and 10x delivering high-res optical quality zoom, and 3x and 5x providing actual optical zoom range. Samsung will also debut the nightography zoom feature for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, inviting users to illuminate their nights with this groundbreaking addition. According to Samsung, brighten up your night with nightography on Galaxy S24 Ultra. This innovative capability empowers users to not only capture the essence of low-light moments, but also invites them to explore a closer look. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, zooming in from a distance, even in challenging low-light conditions, becomes effortlessly achievable, marking a significant leap forward in smartphone photography. Fueled by the strongest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra camera system offers unparalleled video recording capabilities. Users can seamlessly switch between all camera sensors, including the front camera, while recording 4K 60 frames per second videos, opening up creative possibilities in videography. Notably, the device can capture 50 megapixels, high-res 8K videos, and photos in both 1x and 5x optical zoom modes. Finally, we have the One UI 6.1 update. The Galaxy S24 will be the first phones to run One UI 6.1 out of the box. The frame rate of animations has improved with One UI 6.1. Samsung has reportedly removed the background blur effect to improve power efficiency. The company has also reportedly improved background scaling animation greatly, made it non-linear — fans have been asking for this for a long time — and improved wallpaper scaling. When closing apps, the animation that scales back the app window to its icon on the home screen has a more pronounced elastic effect. When you quickly open and close apps from the home screen, the whole UI looks very fluid and smooth, without frame rate drops that are sometimes seen on Samsung's older smartphones. So, how do you like these features of the latest Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let us know it down below your favorite one, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you for the next time. Peace out.